And he forgot to mention that he's from Puerto Rico.
Oh, yeah, from Puerto Rico.
And his mom is there now. So I wish she was here. Unfortunately, she's got a wonderful woman who cares deeply, deeply about her son. And I know that it's reciprocated. So, you know, did that work? Got it, Mom? But it's true, we try to make sure that we develop those relationships and get you ready for more than just HVAC. What I would like to do is show a little bit about the next person. And before I do, well, what the heck, let's take a look at it.